Moving Water Industries Corporation has been manufacturing pumps for nearly 70 years. Originally a manufacturer of extended line shaft type pumps, Moving Water Industries has specialized in the manufacturing of large volume hydraulically driven axial flow pumps. For years, engineers have regarded the axial flow propeller pump as the most efficient means to move large volumes of water at low to medium heads. Engineers at Moving Water Industries Corporation have coupled the versatility of the hydraulic drive with the performance of the axial flow pump in the complete line of HydroFlow pumps. These pumps range in size from 4 to 60 inches and have a capacity from 500 to 12,000 gallons per minute. The Moving Water Industries Mobile is a unique adaptation of the HydroFlow pump, which can be easily moved to a new location where pumping is needed. Absolutely no lifting equipment is required to install the MWI Mobile HydroFlow, making it an incredible cost-efficient portable pumping system. It is a complete pump station on wheels, able to be moved to any river or canal bank and lowered into position to begin pumping. Because it is so easy to install and operate, the Moving Water Industries HydroFlow is ideal for pumping situations which are seasonal and which vary in location. MWI Mobile HydroFlows have been used extensively worldwide for agriculture, irrigation, construction dewatering, and storm drainage. They are not only utilized in the U.S., but as far away as South America, Africa, and Asia. Moving Water Industries mobile HydroFlow pumps range in size from 6 to 36 inches and have a capacity of 1,000 to 32,000 gallons per minute. For demonstration pumping, we will look at a 24-inch mobile HydroFlow, which can pump up to 17,000 gallons per minute. Let's look at the construction, installation, and operation of an MWI mobile HydroFlow. The mobile HydroFlow is a fully self-contained unit ready for the most demanding jobs. The engine, fuel tank, hydraulic oil reservoir, and 50 feet of flexible discharge hose are all permanently mounted on wheels. One man can easily handle the operation of the mobile unit with no more difficulty than launching a boat from a trailer. Larger units are equipped with a steerable front end to facilitate turning. The mobile HydroFlow can be installed and operating in 3 easy steps. The mobile is backed into position, the pump is lowered, and the flexible discharge hose unwound. Within minutes, the mobile HydroFlow is operational. Before lowering the pump, be sure the mobile is not too close to the bank and that it is connected to a towing vehicle or the wheels are locked. Start the engine and build pressure in the system. Raise the actuator lever to relieve pressure from the safety chains. Release the drum brake at the front of the unit. This will allow the discharge hose to unwind. Place the actuator valve in the lowest position to lower the pump. Moving Water Industries' unique tracking system allows the pump to be lowered for a smooth and effortless pump installation. Once the pump is lowered and rests upon the sump of the side bank, shut the drive unit off. Connect the flexible hydraulic hoses to the respective ends by hand tightening the quick couplings. It is important to fasten the fittings as snug as possible, as they will open a valve inside the fitting. On models larger than 24 inches, hydraulic hoses can be permanently connected. There are 3 low-pressure conduits. The high-pressure line is red, the low-pressure line is black, and the thinner black piping on the left is the case drain. Next, unwind the winch and fully extend the discharge hose. The standard mobile is equipped with 50 feet of discharge hose. Additional hose is optional. Start the engine, close the loading valve, and begin pumping. Once the unit is pumping, slowly increase the engine speed. This 24-inch pump can pump up to 17,000 gallons per minute. The Moving Water Industries line of mobile HydroFlows range in capacity from 1,000 gallons to 32,000 gallons per minute. It is especially suited for agricultural, irrigation, and emergency storm drainage. Once the job is completed, the mobile HydroFlow can be easily transported to another location. Slow the engine down to cool before stopping. Once stopped, rewind the hose onto the reel. Disconnect the quick couplings and reinstall the protective plugs and caps. It is important to keep hydraulic lines clean. Start the power unit again. Close the loading valve and raise the actuator lever to lift the pump. Before the pump is fully raised, release the actuator lever in neutral position. This will help keep the pump suspended while the slack of the discharge hose is wound on the winch drum. Rebuild the pressure and raise the actuator to completely retract the pump. Be sure not to winch the cable clasp onto the pulley. Hook the safety chains and lower the pump until the weight is equally distributed between the chain and the cable. Relock the hose winch brake. Check safety devices and chains, and the MWI Mobile HydroFlow is ready to travel. For shipping and delivery, mobile HydroFlows are designed to fit into standard size containers for shipments worldwide. The Moving Water Industries Mobile HydroFlow, the complete pump station on wheels.